Hi.
My hair looks normal. My hair's still wet, actually.
We popped balloons on ourselves.
And then before that, we went down to the river. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm drinking a little over half, but that much.
You have another can.
Yeah, but that much. So there's like that much gone. And I have a full can.
Hmm?
Pardon.
There you go.
That wasn't a good one though.
That was the one. Well, they certainly are coming.
Yep.
Go away. Not
Me?
you. No, the bug. I don't have a reason to tell you to go away.
Oh, I need to throw this side out, even though it's still full. Half full.
My mom won't drink it.
Half full. It's my ombre.
And then there's my hair.
Okay, dance, love, music.
I'm really tempted to title this "A Girl and Her Burping."
Do it.
Let's come go right there.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was gross. Yeah, because it's de-thawed. Bye.
Bye.